Hello.
Hi.
I intercepted a bit of post that came for you today. I picked it up for you from reception.
My post.
A post. It's from YouTube headquarters. Look at that! Look at that box. It's very beautiful.
It looks so cute. I love it. What's inside?
What is it? What does it say?
YouTube headquarters. Mr. Yazdan.
Let's open it up.
Have you opened this?
No. It's not my post. I think it's illegal in this country to open other people's posts.
It is illegal. Well, you are a bit dodgy, so I thought you might know. No way! The third best science channel on YouTube, Mr. Art and Photography.
And then the date.
God, this is amazing! That's my YouTube button I was looking for. Yeah!
So it's meant to be. Obviously, it needs connecting up to the science.
Wait! What is this?
So it's meant to be like a wire.
Oh, so guys, that's the one. I'm sure you have played this.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah, but does it work?
Well, I thought I'd just pass it to you and then you can do all the technical aspects of it.
All right. Okay, so you want me to do the science part of it and turn this to the buzzer game?
Yeah.
Right. Why don't we just make a bigger one? I want to keep this in as a decoration, not as a game. It's so cool. So we make a bigger one together.
What would you do a bigger one up?
Bigger one. Okay. Well, I taught in this school for 2 years and I really love my students. So as a memory, this time we had here, what about making a logo of our school? Turning that the big massive logo to the
something for them to remember us by.
Something for
my God.
I hope they don't damage your bin when we leave.
They'll probably it. We'll be out the door
Guys,
in 2 minutes. They're gone. Get rid of it.
Yeah.
Put it in the bin.
Yeah. Guys, if you're watching our video, you come in September, look for it. Make sure they haven't chucked in the bin. Complain about it if they did.
Okay, so we'll keep that to one side. Yeah, let's build a big one then.
Nice color as well. I think it's a very unique color. Yeah, let's do the big one together.
Bronze for the third best.
Why am I not? Who are the first and second?
Veritasium and Smarter Every Day.
Oh, I love Veritasium.
Just in case there's very small YouTube channels. Just
yeah, go and subscribe. Support them, please.
Yeah.
I thought the second one is Mr. Art and Photography.
No, I'm not a science channel. Not at all.
Oh, science. Brilliant. Thank you so much.
All right.
Cheers.
Go make this bad.
So after we cover this with tin foil to make it conductor, we mounted in this tray. And we have this our school logo in the back. 2 buzzers and 2 lamps are attached to it. Obviously, we made a circuit for this. And now every time So again, you know how this works. You need to just go around this wire, and if you touch this, means you lose, because you will hear the buzz and the lamps will go on. So turning it on is work with 6 volts. You can use the battery as well. So I'm very good at this. I mean I am, but let's start. I can't do it while I'm sitting. So yeah, as you can see, when you touch these wires, complete the circuit. So here is how the circuit works. 2 lamps, 2 buzzers connected in parallel together. The positive from the battery is directly connected to the lamps and buzzer. The negative one is connected to the wires, the shape of the logo we have. And to complete the circuit, we have the other wire connected to the loop. And when it goes round, we touch the wire, complete circuit, we turn the buzzers and the lamps on. It's a very fun game, and I'm glad actually we did that with the school logo.
It was easy to do as well. I mean, as you guys have just seen, it was very easy to put together. It wasn't any materials that were too difficult to come by. And to be honest, all that is holding the badge in the box is just some hot glue. Hot glue on top, hot glue underneath. So that was all that was really required. As long as whatever you're making, whatever wire buzzer you are building, as long as the weight's not too heavy, the easiest way to get it held in place.
You can even make it just with the wire, pure wire. If you have a good wire, easily to bend it and form it, and it's strong enough to stand on its own. So, but we want to make something big. And I think it was a very good collaboration of the science and art team.
All right, let's give it a go. See if we can do it. First time, first try. The famous words of Lego Batman. First try. Oh. Do not be.
10th try.
All right.
100. Okay, learn how you do it. Oh. Oh no. Right, I think I should have started like this one more time. Yes, that's easier.